Hey there, so look at these onion fries. You can do anywhere and for very, very cheap. Staying at a vacation rental, and sometimes the least that you can find is some cooking oil and some salt and pepper, and if you're lucky, some ketchup. You want to check their oven to see if they have a sheet pan. They do. And so all I had to bring to the table was 3 potatoes. These are yellow or golden potatoes, washed and dried. And for oven fries, you want to actually cut them into wedges. It kind of takes this mentality out that you're not really having deep fried French fries, but these nice crisp potato wedges. So I'm just tossing them in oil, salt and pepper, because that's all I have. And we're going to arrange them here on this tray. I have no idea if they're going to stick to it, but going to take my chances. 415, it calls 425, but I usually start a little lower until I figure out what kind of oven I'm dealing with. And you want to put these fries on the lower level. That way they'll get extra crisp on the bottom because they'll be right above that heating element. So here's my first attempt at trying to dislodge them. It sucked. They got stuck. But with little patience, I turned every one over, and it wasn't as bad as I thought. But they're crisping up nice. They're going to go back in the oven. So they were in for probably 40 minutes total. And here I am scraping them off of there. They got nice and crispy. Made enough for about 2 bowls with some ketchup here. And, it could be a little frustrating cooking at a vacation rental, but look, great looking oven fries. They're a little mangled, but you just call them cottage fries or rustic fries.